Shadows cast by ancient trees, whispers ride the evening breeze. Across the lake where silence sleeps, a silver dance where darkness weeps. Chasing echoes, feel the beat, mysterious hearts of nature's heat. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. Glimmers bright beneath the moon, nighttime calls a haunting tune. Feel the rhythm in the air, mysteries linger everywhere. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. Glimmers bright beneath the moon, nighttime calls a haunting tune. Feel the rhythm in the air, mysteries linger everywhere. Everywhere. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. As the water shimmers deep, ancient secrets ours to keep. In shadows cast by ancient trees, we fly together, you and me. Shadows cast by ancient trees, whispers ride the evening breeze. Across the lake where silence sleeps, a silver dance where darkness weeps. Chasing echoes, feel the beat, mysterious hearts of nature's heat. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. Glimmers bright beneath the moon, nighttime calls a haunting tune. Feel the rhythm in the air, mysteries linger everywhere. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. Glimmers bright beneath the moon, nighttime calls a haunting tune. Feel the rhythm in the air, mysteries linger everywhere. Everywhere. Lifting high above the ground, where secret stories swirl around. As the water shimmers deep, ancient secrets ours to keep. In shadows cast by ancient trees, we fly together, you and me.
In the shadows of the mountains high, whispers of winter begin to die. Majestic bliss, they stand so proud, veiled in white like a solemn shroud. Through their fog the sun breaks free, a golden dawn, the symphony. Rivers awaken with the light roar, their icy chains not binding anymore. The solemn nature of the vibrant rebirth in the heart of the earth, the sacred nerve. Rivers awaken with the light roar, their icy chains not binding anymore. The solemn nature of vibrant rebirth in the heart of the earth, the sacred earth. Rise, oh spirit, with the breaking dawn. Scarlet skies greet the coming war. Mountains echo in light, the middle all is bright, all is true. Blossoms burst, the flowers bloom, chasing away the chill and gloom. A tapestry of colors unfolds in the embrace of what the story told. From the heights of our fate, the cycle of life we celebrate. Winter's and the spring's delight, in the mountains on so thick fight. Blossoms burst, the flowers bloom, chasing away the chill and gloom. A tapestry of colors unfolds in the embrace of warmth, the story told. From the heights of our fate, the cycle of life we celebrate. Winters and the springs in light, in mountains of walls they fight. In the shadows of the mountains high, whispers of winter begin to die. Majestic bliss, they stand so proud, veiled in white like a solemn shroud. Through their fog the sun breaks free, a golden dawn, the symphony. Rivers awaken with the light roar, their icy chains not binding anymore. The solemn nature of the vibrant rebirth in the heart of the earth, the sacred nerve. Rivers awaken with the light roar, their icy chains not binding anymore. The solemn nature of vibrant rebirth in the heart of the earth, the sacred earth. Rise, oh spirit, with the breaking dawn. Scarlet skies greet the coming war. Mountains echo in light, the middle all is bright, all is true. Blossoms burst, the flowers bloom, chasing away the chill and gloom. A tapestry of colors unfolds in the embrace of what the story told. From the heights of our fate, the cycle of life we celebrate. Winters and the spring's delight, in the mountains on so thick fight. Blossoms burst, the flowers bloom, chasing away the chill and gloom. A tapestry of colors unfolds in the embrace of warmth, the story told. From the heights of our fate, the cycle of life we celebrate. Winters and the springs in light, in mountains or walls they fight. Feel love when the skies are clear. It's time to dive into the atmosphere. Cut the final line, the songs are low, flying high where the wild winds blow. Second breath, it's a brand new day, chasing dreams in an endless ballet. Just the shadows of the water's face. In this moment we find our place. Second breath, it's a brand new day, chasing dreams in an endless ballet. There's the shadows on the water's face. In this moment we find our place. Oh, and higher we fly beneath the blue. Oh, we raise our freedom, we break on through. Around the lake, where wild beasts play, this spring we rise, we seize the day. Whispers of spring, the world's alive. Nature's heartbeat, together we strive. With every loop, we'll never return. Soaring over lessons we learn. Let the rivers flow and the echoes sing. Feel the pulse of life in every wave. Time to rise against the tide, and the strong dance around on high. So come along, let's seize the skies. Together we'll reach where the eagle flies, with the sound that echoes wild and free. This is our moment, come fly with me. Come fly with me. Oh, higher we fly beneath the blue. With wings of freedom, we break on through. Around the lake, where wild beasts play, this spring we rise, we seize the day. We seize the day. We seize the day.